Imagine a world where machines don't just follow commands, but think, plan, and act entirely on their own, setting their own goals and executing tasks autonomously. This isn't science fiction, it's the dawn of agentic AI, a type of artificial intelligence capable of independent decision-making with minimal human intervention. For decades, artificial intelligence has been a tool, responding to our queries and analyzing data as we directed it. But a new paradigm is emerging, one that redefines the very nature of automation by enabling AI to operate independently in dynamic environments. Agentic AI represents a profound leap forward, moving beyond simple task execution to independent decision-making, autonomous action, and the ability to mimic human cognitive processes using advanced models. Unlike traditional AI, which requires constant human input for every step, agentic systems can set their own goals, formulate detailed strategies, and execute complex tasks with minimal human intervention throughout the process. These systems leverage advanced machine learning models, often powered by large language models or LLMs, to mimic human cognitive processes in real time, allowing them to reason, plan, and adapt dynamically. They gather information from diverse sources across the web and databases, analyze vast amounts of data using powerful LLMs, and formulate innovative solutions, adapting dynamically to ever-changing environments and conditions. The benefits of agentic AI are truly transformative, offering increased autonomy for systems, enhanced problem-solving capabilities that rival human experts, and the potential for groundbreaking innovation across multiple fields. It significantly improves efficiency by automating repetitive tasks completely, optimizing complex processes with precision, and delivering results across various sectors like finance, healthcare, and manufacturing. Consider AI-powered trading bots, for instance, which execute complex financial strategies autonomously around the clock, reacting to market shifts in mere milliseconds to capitalize on opportunities. Autonomous vehicles provide another prime example, navigating busy roads, making split-second decisions based on real-time data, and ensuring safety without any human intervention behind the wheel. In healthcare, agentic AI continuously monitors patient data from wearables and records, adjusting treatment recommendations in real time, flagging critical changes, and personalizing care on an unprecedented scale for better outcomes. Industries from customer service with AI chat agents to manufacturing with smart factories, and even financial services handling transactions, are rapidly adopting these agentic systems to boost operations. In manufacturing specifically, agentic AI optimizes production schedules based on demand forecasts, predicts maintenance needs through data patterns, minimizing downtime and maximizing overall output efficiency. Governments worldwide are exploring its potential to streamline bureaucratic processes like permit approvals, enhance citizen engagement through personalized services, and improve public sector responsiveness. As AI becomes more autonomous and integrated, new roles are emerging for humans, requiring skills in AI collaboration, technical literacy to interface with systems, and ethical understanding to guide development responsibly. The rise of agentic AI presents both immense opportunities for progress and significant challenges that must be navigated carefully in this evolving landscape. It can boost productivity exponentially by operating 24/7 without fatigue, completing intricate tasks in mere hours that once took entire teams' days or even weeks to accomplish. Agentic AI is becoming an active collaborator in decision-making processes, from brainstorming innovative new ideas in creative teams to managing complex projects with timelines and resources autonomously. However, this growing autonomy also raises critical ethical concerns about accountability, security risks from potential hacks, and the potential for job displacement in traditional roles across economies. Key risks include the spread of misinformation through unchecked outputs, biased outcomes from flawed training algorithms, privacy breaches in data handling, and even sophisticated financial fraud schemes. To mitigate these risks effectively, organizations must adopt responsible AI practices from the start, implement rigorous testing protocols at every stage, and evolve comprehensive governance frameworks for oversight. addressing challenges related to data quality through cleaning and validation, workforce transformation via reskilling programs, and technical complexities in integration is absolutely paramount for success. By 2030, Agentic AI will be deeply integrated into various aspects of daily life, from personal assistants to enterprise systems, and into business operations worldwide. Gartner predicts that by 2028, 33% of all business software will feature Agentic AI capabilities, enabling 15% of daily work decisions to be made autonomously by these intelligent systems. Future applications will include personal health coaches monitoring vitals daily, factory floor digital twins simulating operations, smart supply chains predicting disruptions, and much more. Multi-agent systems, where multiple AI agents collaborate seamlessly, will tackle complex problem-solving by independently running experiments, analyzing results, and iterating on solutions together. The future also holds more autonomous physical agents like advanced robots, greater capabilities for self-improvement through recursive learning, and edge AI deployments for low-latency responses and high data privacy protection. The era of manual decision-making is rapidly evolving, giving way to a future where intelligent agents not only augment, but even lead our progress in science, business, and society. Subscribe to AI Blast for more science explained by artificial intelligence.